Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all had a great week, and let's get into this CVS haul for this week. And this is the CVS haul for the week of June 13th to June 19th. So with that being said, let's get into my first transaction. On my first transaction, I did the Crest Scope and the Revive deal. So this week the Crest toothpaste was buy two get $3 back, and it's 2 for $6. And also the Scope was buy two get $3 back, each one is $4.99. And the Revive is buy two get $5 back, 2 for $8. So I have a 3 off of 3 coupon from a few weeks ago from coupons.com. It's no longer available. I use that, and I also have a 3 off 3 nail or hair care. I also use that. For the Scope and the Crest, I have a 5 off of 3 coupon, any product from Crest, and I have a 2 off of 5 Crest or Scope coupon. I had one last week and I have one this week, so I combine them together. And I also have a $1 off manufacturer's coupon app coupon from CVS app for the toothpaste. I have a $1 off Crest coupon too, but I didn't use that one didn't apply, so I ended up not using it. I used only $9 extra bucks. I paid 98 cents out of pocket, and I got back $3 for the Scope mouthwash, $3 for the Crest toothpaste, and $5 for the Elvive, making everything $11, and I only used $9 extra buck, paid 98 cents out of pocket. So this one is a money maker. And also remember that the shampoo and conditioner is part of the CVS beauty book, so that's already giving me $1 right there. So I would say this is a $2 money maker. So this is a great deal. If you have all these CRTs I'm talking about, I suggest you do that. And always remember, everybody's account is different, so you have to look at what you have, so that way you can make the best out of the deal. So now I'm going to zoom into the receipt, so you'll be able to see exactly what I did and what applied. Look at it. You can see the first one is the $5 coupon I have from coupons.com. The second one is the 5 off of 3 oral care for any Crest or Scope. And the next one is the $1 toothpaste from the app, 3 off of 3 nail and hair. And you can see the 2 off of 5 Crest or Scope. And the next one are my extra bucks. And I only paid 98 cents. And I got the $3 for the Scope, $3 for the toothpaste, and $5 for the shampoo. I ended up using all of them again because I tried to roll all my extra bucks. That way my out of pocket will be really small, because I don't like keeping them, because the point of all this is reuse the money and make maximum profit. Okay, with that said, let's move in to my last transaction, because I only did 2 transactions this week. Before we get to the next transaction, I would like to share something with you all, because my store doesn't have this, so that's why I didn't do it. Hopefully I'll be going back again this week to finish it up. They have it this week. The speed stick and the lady speed stick is buy 2 get $2 back, and 2 for $6. So I was lucky enough to get the CRT for 2 off of 2 speed stick. And when you go on speedstick.com, you can print out a 50 cents coupon. So with this coupon and the CRT, I will end up paying $3 and getting $2 back, and making it 50 cents each. The next one also is the Venus razor. This week is buy 2 get $10 back, and you can also do Gillette, but I only got the CRT for the Venus, 4 off of 20. So at my store it's priced at $10.49, so I would have picked up 2, making it $20.98. And using the 4 off and the 3 off from the PNG insert for June, I will only pay $10.98 and get $10 back, making each razor 49 cents each. That's a really awesome deal. So I wanted to share that with you all, in case you have a good CRT for the speed stick and the razor, to be able to do it. And also check your CRTs for the Chic or Skintimate. It's also a good deal, but I don't have a CRT for that, so that's why I'm not doing that deal. So let's go to my last and final deal for this transaction. For my next transaction, I did the spend 45 get 15 back, and I also did the Irish Spring deal and also the Hallmark deal. Last week I have from my receipt I have a spend 40 get $8 off, and also I have the buy 2 items get $3 off from Hallmark. So I picked up 3 paper bags, and the funny thing is the whole 3 products applied, they only took off $1.47 from the $3. So I ended up paying nothing, and I still got a $3 back for the Hallmark. So for the Irish Spring, I have a 2 off of 2 select Irish Spring, and this week is buy 2 for 8 get $2 back. So they take off the $2, making it 6, and I printed out a 75-cent coupon from the irishspring.com, so you can print out too. I used the 75 cents, and that's $1.50 plus the $2, that's $3.50. So it takes off taking it off from the $8 is $4.50. I got $2 back, so making the 2 products $2.50, and that's really cheap for this big bottle of 18 ounces of Irish Spring body wash. So on my spend 45 get $15 back, I picked up a Tide for $11.94, the Unisom for $12.49, and this week on Ibotta, check your rebates. If you need a referral code, check my description box. I picked that up for $12.49, and on Ibotta you get an $8 back, and that's really big because everything came up to free at the end of it. I picked up the Age Perfect moisturizer because I have a $5 off from last week and another $5 off this week, and the Tide I have a $3 off coupon. So I filled the whole thing with honey bunches of oats for $1.88. So the Unisom, I also have a 2 off of 10 pain pills from CVS app. So that's why I added the Irish Spring and the Hallmark. That way I can meet the good threshold of the $40 and the $10. So after the whole coupon applied, I used a $27 extra box to pay it off, and I got back a $15 for the spend 45 get $15 back. I got $2 for the Irish Spring, and I also got $3 for the Hallmark. And when all the extra box I got is $20. So, and I'm getting $8 back from Ibotta for the Unisom. So that's already $1 money maker right there. And the L'Oreal Paris and the Viv I did from the first transaction already hit the beauty. No, I think I'm like $2 off, so that's another $3 coming in. So with all this, I'm also making money from this transaction. This is a really good money maker. So I'm going to zoom in and go close so you can see my receipt and also see my extra box. So let me go close so you can see the receipt. So you see the first $3 off, the 75 cents off each, the 8 off of 40, the $2 $5 from L'Oreal from last week and this week, the 3 off of 2 Hallmark. That's why it took off 147. That's what I was talking about. Instead of only taking off 2, it took off the whole 3. The $2 off from the Irish Spring CRT, the 2 off of Pain Relief CRT, and I also got I think that's all for the CRT, and I used $27 extra box, and I got back a 20. And remember, I'm getting back a 8 for the Unisom. This one, okay, I'm getting back a 8 for the Unisom from Ibotta, and the Age Perfect and the L'Oreal are giving me back for the money from the beauty box. So these are all the extra box I got back for this. So I get back a 15, 3 and a 2. So with all this, I was able to grab all these products free and a $3 money maker. So after all this whole transaction, I felt good because this is a really good saver, and also things I know my family will need or anybody around me will need. So like I always say, always make sure you look at your CRTs. before you do your deal, because I think that's the main thing of doing all this couponing. Because when you go through your CROTs, you can be able to save more money and spend less. So with that being said, this concludes this week haul. I'll be going back to the store to try out the razor and the deodorant deal if they have it, and I'll see you all next week. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and thank you for watching my video, and also hit the notification button. I'll be seeing you all next weekend, and have a good week all. Thank you.